In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called finding side lengths of rectangles given one dimension and an area or a perimeter. And in this example, we have two questions here, A and B. In A, we're given the area of a rectangle and the width while being asked for the length. So for part A, I'll start by recalling that for a rectangle, we have measures of length and width, and that to find the area, we would multiply the length times the width. So I'll start with that formula. Area equals length times width, and then I'll start doing some substitution. We know the area was given as 7,566 meters squared, and that the width is given as 78 meters. So the length is the only one that I don't know. I'll leave that as L. So L times the width, which is 78. To solve this equation for L, I would want to undo multiplying by 78, which means dividing by 78. And we would have to do that on both sides, thereby canceling the 78 on the right, leaving me with just the L. And doing that division, 7,566 divided by 78 gives us 97. So the length of this rectangular field is 97 meters. And then for part B, we're given a different example. This time it's a painting. And here we are given the perimeter. So our formula for perimeter, we know that the width on both sides is the same. The length on the top and the bottom will be the same. And that the perimeter can be found by just adding all of these up. And we end up with two lengths, top and bottom, so 2L. Plus two widths left and right here, 2W. Our perimeter formula is 2L plus 2W, but we're given the perimeter itself is 346, and we're also given the length. So I can replace the perimeter with 346. I can replace the length with 94. Bringing down the rest of the equation, I'll ultimately want to solve for W to find the width. But first, I can do this multiplication. 2 times 94 is 188. Bringing down the rest of the equation. To solve for W, I would want to first get the W term by itself. And I can do that by subtracting the 188 term from the right-hand side over to the left-hand side. This will cancel that term on the right, leaving me with just the 2W. And on the left, 346 minus 188 is 158, leaving us with just one more step to solve for W. I would need to undo multiplying by 2 by dividing by 2 on both sides, canceling to get that W by itself, and leaving myself with 158 divided by 2 is 79. So the width of our painting is 79 centimeters. And we were able to solve both of these, A and B, by using the formulas for perimeter and for the area of a rectangle.